This particular supplement helps to fade dullness, improve skin glow, firm your skin, make your nails to be stronger, make your hair to be stronger, and make you to pop like a queen that you are. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, your bestie when it comes to all things related to skincare and feminine hygiene. So if today is the very first day you're seeing my face on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe. Subscribing to this channel is absolutely free and you are going to learn a lot if you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so in this very video I'm going to be bringing to you a detailed review on this particular collagen supplement. If you have been on the streets of TikTok, you would notice that this supplement has been trending. Okay, and I decided to get it. Okay, if I don't get it to give you guys reviews, who would? So I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about the particular supplement, what it does to your skin, how it helps your skin, or if you're actually going to be needing it in your skincare routine or not. If this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch, please sit back and enjoy. The very first thing I want to tell you is that if you have been doing skincare and you're not getting the good results that you have been wanting to get, I would actually advise that you get supplements. You cannot be comparing your skin to that of a skin that is using supplements, okay? The difference is usually clear. If you're using supplements, the supplement will be working from the inside, while the skincare products that you're using will be working from the outside. So you see, it's a win-win. So if you are doing your skincare and you're not getting results, you need a supplement in your skincare routine. In the past, I have done a couple of videos talking about supplements, and yes, this is actually the first supplement I'll be trying this year, 2025. You guys requested I try a supplement and give you guys review, and this is the one that I actually tried, and I'm going to be giving you the review. Everything about this supplement is written in Chinese language. Look at it. Everything about it is written in what? In Chinese language. But I found a translator that helped me to read everything that is on it, and I'm going to be telling you whatever that is written on the body of this supplement. But before that, let us talk about the packaging. The packaging for me, it is 10/10 minus nothing. The container is huge, okay, and this is how to open it. This is the place that you open it. Let me open it for you guys to see. So it is actually sealed with this foil, okay? I don't know if it is called foil or I don't know. It's actually sealed like this, and it comes in pack of 30 and 60, okay? The pack of 30 is actually more affordable and the pack of 60 is more expensive. But I went for the pack of 60 because I want something that would last for me for a long period of time. So if you know that you don't want to be purchasing sooner, just go for the pack of 60. So this is what it looks like from the inside. This is what it looks like. It comes like this. It comes like this. This actually makes it to be very, very travel friendly. Imagine if I'm traveling now, I will just pick the pieces that I would need for the number of days that I'll be staying there. So it's actually travel friendly. I love that they took their time to pack it up like this, and this is how you're going to be taking it, one sachet at a time. Now let me go ahead and tell you the ingredient that this supplement contains and why you should get this supplement and include it in your skincare routine. So I'm going to be reading now from this tablet because obviously I cannot translate Chinese language, okay, and I'm also going to be inserting the picture of what I'm trying to read out to you people. So this is the front. It says from Gutang Collagen, meaning that the particular collagen drink is from Gutang Collagen. That's the company that produces it, okay? It's a collagen cranberry solid drink. As a woman, you will need cranberry in your routine. Cranberry actually helps to take care of downstairs area, if you get what I mean, okay? Here, okay, it says that this product cannot replace special medical formula foods for infants and children, healthy food and other specialty foods. Meaning that if you're taking this supplement, do not expect that you will not be eating. You're actually going to be eating, okay? You need to eat food. You don't have to say, okay, I've taken my supplement, that means I don't have to eat. Please do not say that. And another thing that it says here, okay, it says that the product's name is Collagen Cranberry Solid Drink, product type solid drink, net content 180 gram, okay, and each of the sachet, let me bring it out, each of the sachet contains 3 gram, and all the sachet, that's the 60 sachets, okay, contain in total 180 gram. Also went ahead to say the expiry date, which is in 24 months. Okay, so that means this product is still very much okay. It is not yet expired. Now let us go to the list of ingredients. It contains edible glucose, and you know that glucose helps to give us what? Strength. So if you take this, you're going to be having strength. Another thing, it contains fish collagen peptide. And collagen actually helps with your hair, your nails, your skin. These three things I mentioned here, collagen actually help it. It will help to give you a glowy skin from the inside. It will help to strengthen your nails. If you have a very fragile nails that cannot, be long and then not break, okay? If your nails are very, very fragile, it will help to strengthen your nails and also help to grow your hair. If you're having a thin hair, it will also help to grow your hair. That is the work of collagen. Collagen also helps to whiten your skin, like brighten your skin from the inside, give you that shade, like a lighter shade from the inside. If you are struggling with dull skin, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, a skin that does not want to brighten, then you should incorporate this in your skincare routine. It also contains skimmed milk, which does not contain fat. Okay, skimmed milk is a milk that is already defatted, a milk that the fat that it contains had been extracted. It also contains cranberry powder, which actually helps to make your down there to be very, very good. And it also contains oligofructose. If you're struggling with bloated belly, bloated stomach, indigestion, oligofructose would help to aid your digestion and get rid of bloated stomach. So now I'm going to be showing you how I take it. It is advised that you take it once a day. And if you want to get faster results, please take it with a vitamin C supplement. It actually helps you to work and also get absorbed into your system quickly. You're only going to be needing 1 sachet per day. Please do not abuse this. 1 sachet per day is fine. I take mine at night, okay? When I'm done eating, when I'm done with everything, I'll just go ahead to dissolve this and drink. And I'm going to be showing you how I do this. Like I said, you need 1 sachet. So you either take it in the morning after breakfast, or you take it at night after dinner. That is the way to take this supplement so that you can see good results. You're going to be needing a glass and 1 sachet and also warm water. But for the sake of this video, I do not have warm water available, so I'm going to make do with what I have, which is just normal room temperature water. Do not use cold water. If you don't have warm water available, you can use normal room temperature water. I'm going to be opening this up with my scissors. This is what it looks like. It comes in a powdered form, okay? This is it. Can you see it? This is it. Then we're going to add in water. You don't need much water for this. This quantity is enough, okay? So that you will get all the nutrients that will come from this. So now we're going to stir. We're going to shake it so that everything will get dissolved before we drink. So this is what it looks like now that I have stirred everything together. I'm going to go ahead and drink the supplement now. The taste is okay. It's not bitter. It's not sweet. Don't expect much. It's not just bitter. It's not just sweet. It's just in between, okay? This particular supplement helps to fade dullness, improve skin glow, firm your skin, make your nails to be stronger, make your hair to be stronger, and make you to pop like a queen that you are. It also helps to reduce fine lines and dark patches. So if you are not taking this supplement, I don't know what you are taking. If you are not taking this supplement, I don't know what you're taking in 2025. Now, when it comes to my honest review about this supplement, when I started using it, I did not see quick results immediately until about 2 weeks, okay? I started noticing that my skin was popping. It was helping my skin to pop from the inside, and also it was helping me not to be bloated. So in general, I would rate this a solid 8/10. This is my honest review about the collagen cranberry drink from Gutang. If you have been struggling with dullness or uneven skin tone, you want your skin to pop from the inside, you want to aid your skincare products to work faster, and you're looking for the supplements to get, I would suggest that you get the supplement and you would thank me later, okay? This is my honest review. And also remember that we sell this on my website, or you can chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to be dropping my number in the description box. And there you have it, my loves. If you have watched a particular point of the video, you are the real MVP. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video, leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you're going to be trying out this supplement or if you already bought it because TikTok made you too. And until next time, my love, stay glowy from the inside and bye.